Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you my pineapple citrus ginger juice, an all-purpose anti-inflammatory juice, immune system booster, digestive system cleanser, anti-aging supporter, and perfect for weight loss. I'll begin by cutting the head and the tail of the pineapple, and then I will cut off the skin of the pineapple. Please make sure you don't throw away your pineapple skin. You can use it for pineapple skin tea, which has lots of health benefits. So I'll be keeping this in my freezer and I'll use it as needed. I'll then cut my pineapple into cubes or pieces. Cut it any size you want because we'll be blending and straining it. I'll also be cutting the peel of my oranges and keeping it in my freezer as well. I like using the peel of my citrus and pineapples for tea, and then I'll cut my citrus up in pieces or cubes as well. In this juice, you can use any amount of ginger you prefer. I like using lots of ginger. I have about 4 thumb size of ginger. I'll also add in 1 dry chili pepper, which also helps fight inflammation. I highly recommend you add it to this juice. I'll add water and then I will blend. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you. And I really appreciate you for sharing, liking, and commenting on my videos. I'll be using a nutmeg bag to strain my juice. You can find this at amazon.com. I'll try to leave a link to this in my description box. You can as well use a normal strainer to strain your juice as well. This juice has lots of health benefits. It stimulates our body's natural defense. It is a good source of vitamin C, natural anti-inflammatory. It helps prevent cold and flu, and it also protects the body from damage caused by free radicals. I make this juice once every week. It is super delicious as well, and I hope you give this a try. I'm all done straining my juice. I'll now store it in my 16-ounce glass container with the help of a funnel. You can consume this pineapple juice for liver health improvement and also reduce the risk of liver-related ailments. It also helps improve metabolism, which in turn burns fat. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.